I was gonna say something really inappropriate there.
You should. I was thinking it as well. Oh my god. So many.
I think we got to hear the. Oh gosh.
You're a bit enthusiastic there.
I know. There's a lot of booty shaking going on.
Jack talking about his pole.
What are you praying for? Namaste. Oh, I didn't even contort like that, dear.
Oh, I was feeling a little emo or something with that one. I don't know.
Yeah, I need a
I don't
drink.
know what I'm looking for. 1 minute. It's...
Just checking my toes done, my trousers up.
Make sure my zipper's fastened, dear.
Hey, I
Just
got
gonna
it.
have a wee think, you know?
Look at you go, dear.
Okay.
It fucking hurts, but I'm doing it.
You got it, dear. You got it.
No, I like these. But you don't
Oi,
think I
oi,
want to
oi.
like this last one?
Oh,
Oh dear.
sorry. I don't know. You don't mind me down there. Oh. Not at all. That's my wife.
Oh?
Well, fiance. She doesn't know that yet, but
Oh dear, break it
Oh,
down.
dear.
Oh, you're in a,
Oh,
you're in a front of
dear.
a compromising angle,
you
dear.
can't do that in a public place.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
We'll give it a go, Dixon.
Don't die, dear. Breathe.
We'll have a look.
Oh, oh,
Also
no.
lava.
Bollocks that.
Oh,
No.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Nope. Nope.
Okay, Jack.
Oh, wow.
I told you we were partying tonight, Adeline.
Yeah, you told. Whatever you do, don't do number 5.
I didn't realise there was going to be this many people here to see it.
Guy loves it.
Whack that one on, Ramsey.
Secret
I
Ramsey.
got you after this.
I was planning to have a free day, not even opening the bar, but I'm happy opening it.
We're open
Sorry.
tomorrow as well.
Opening it every night for party,
What up?
own party.
If you want a song,
Jack
I'll email
is-
me.
Really shaking
Alright,
his
we can
booty
have,
tonight. Oh,
Pop punk bangers.
But yesterday at VU was fun though.
Yeah, I didn't know it was so good and cold.
Yeah, I didn't know
I only
either.
went down there for a beer.
Jody, you would have seen that.
You'd have seen me,
Yeah, Jack was really on fire.
oh my.
I nearly
Hold
was
on real quick.
afterwards when the fucking Terminator come in.
Go back.
That was
Oh,
crazy.
there he is, look. finally, eh?
This one.
You. Fine.
Did you know Adeline has a new boyfriend?
Ooh, who?
Adeline, come tell us about your new boyfriend.
Yeah, probably.
About
Is that what the J on the wall stands for up there?
Spell.
Put that up for him.
that was there already, but
Oh,
now that
it
you
was
said
meant to
it,
be. It was meant to
Maybe.
be.
maybe who knows?
They look very
Life, life works mysterious ways.
happy. Very mysterious. That is
Mhm.
for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Who is
Yeah, I
it?
need to have. Who?
Yeah.
Oh, who? Jamie.
Jamie. I don't think I met a
Jamie.
Jamie.
Yeah, I don't know.
Are you forgetting that
Jamie.
it was mine the day you opened it up?
No,
Fucking
no,
hell. No,
no.
I get it. I get it.
no! I
get
didn't
it.
say it for anyone.
Instantly replaced, Jack.
Oh yeah. No,
No hesitation.
Jack has a fiance.
What?
Oh, bro. I only put bangers on.
Who?
You haven't heard, Dottie? They're gonna get married.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, we're gonna have wedding here.
Oh. Congratulations, Jack and Dottie.
yeah. Thank you.
Come back.
Bring it back, you never left.
I was in my head.
You went so awkward.
Why am I
It's still your one.
sorry? I'm so sorry.
Alright, Mackay.
My back to use.
Oh, don't worry, dear.
Banger.
Of course, look at it, sent you
Like
this.
I love this tune.
I never said it was bad. I said, of course, you sent it.
So do I. What is it?
Thunderbolt.
Oh.
Thunderbolt. Why I've got a bald head now.
Obviously a fan of Tokyo Drift, but you can't drive. Crazy.
Yeah, are you here to
I heard
replace
that.
Eddie?
Whoever said that is a crazy man. The Jeep can drive great.
Kid, it was you. Stop kissing my ass. You're off duty.
You probably get that a lot, John, don't you?
What, ass kissing?
Yeah.
Nah, mainly just disrespected, to be honest.
Oh my gosh.
There's not many that kiss my ass. Yeah, the thing's actually smashed this dance. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Hammy, man, he's not even coming to dance.
Who?
Like Hammy.
Oh.
Would any of you ladies like a drink?
I heard something very wrong.
Yes, please.
What? Okay. I'd
You
like
know
to
what
get
I
a round
want,
of drinks
Mr.
for all
Jack?
the ladies on the floor. The one over there.
Hello, can I have one, please? Oh, thank you, dear.
MJ, do you want still some?
Let's see what I got. I'm
said
good for
she's not
now.
a
I still
lady.
have 2
Okay.
drinks. Go for my 3rd orgasm of the night.
Oh, I'm at number 5
Gee.
and 6. I'm doing the back to back.
I can say I've had 0 orgasms.
Sad, sad life.
It is
Yeah,
a sad
that's
life.
why I
Oh.
put them on menu. just because of you.
That's the only one I'm getting.
My head's spinning.
I think we're both gonna have to take some Advil tonight, John.
I'll be regretting this in the morning.
Jesus, how are you doing that in heels?
I can do anything in heels, Jack.
Oh,
I put it on before.
Yours is more creased than his, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what? You can't iron your own clothes?
Oh,
Oh god.
Jack!
did you all,
So you're saying that you
did
can't
you all
iron
get
You can do anything in heels. You see that?
I know. I did it. Showed my panties to everybody.
Ah,
You
nobody's watching. They're all looking at me.
I mean, I thought it was kind of suggested.
You said for ladies. I don't count you as a lady
Why not?
because you're not a lady.
I'm a lady.
I'm a lady too.